Welcome to 3104 Sabine Cove, please come in and take a tour. Entrance to Sabine Cove. View of the cul-de-sac street. Virtually staged living room. A bank of windows, dressed with plantation shutters, capture a widescreen view of the backyard. Elegant elliptical arch transitions into the kitchen. Breakfast bar is perfect for snacking or a casual family meal. Gourmet's Delight Kitchen offers a bevy of cabinets and exotic granite-topped counters, as well as a walk-in corner pantry. Custom cabinetry include a planning desk, glass-fronted cabinets, and wine rack. Built-in appliances include cooktop, built-in oven, microwave, and dishwasher. Center island has pull-out trash bin on one side and pull-out drawers on the opposite side. View from the kitchen past the breakfast bar towards the living room. Bay window pumps natural light into the room. On the left side is a planning station topped by a wine rack. Atrium door accesses the back patio and backyard. Notice the butler's pantry with wine cooler. Breakfast bar is ideal for snacking or casual family meals. Well-sized laundry room is outfitted with additional cabinets for extra storage capability. Virtually staged loft area shows the possibility of a versatile quiet office space. Virtually staged primary bedroom. Generously proportioned primary bedroom boasts crown molding enhanced tiered ceiling with lighted ceiling fan and can lights, and an arched window with custom plantation shutters. Generous wall space grants furniture placement versatility. Ensuite primary bath boasts hard tiled flooring and tub and shower surrounds, and an especially large, granite-topped vanity with dual, rectangular sinks. View past the private toilet compartment and the glass shower entrance towards the huge walk-in closet. Accent tiling enhances the floor and the shower surround. Notice the welcomed bench seat in the shower and whirlpool tub for relaxation. Bedroom 2 features gorgeous hardwood flooring, bay window dressed with custom plantation shutters, crown molding, lighted ceiling fan, and atrium door accessing the large balcony. Bedroom 3 also offers hardwood flooring, plantation shutters, crown molding, lighted ceiling fan, and gigantic walk-in closet.